So till now what we have learned, if we have to go from displacement displacement is denoted by S, displacement to velocity to acceleration, we need to differentiate. If we differentiate displacement, it becomes velocity, that is ds by dt is v, and if we differentiate velocity, we get acceleration. dv by dt is your acceleration. And the main formula that played here is differentiation of some constant a x to the power n divided by dx is equal to a n x to the power a n x to the power n minus 1. This is the main formula. And few more, if you differentiate constant, you get a zero result. On the contrary, if you need to find velocity from acceleration or displacement from velocity, we need to integrate. And the main formula that is playing here, x to the power n dx is equal to a x to the power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c, and integration of any constant term with dx, we get a result a x plus c. If there is no constant term, if the value of a is 1, then it is x plus c. So these are some fundamental things we learned in last few days. Again, today we will learn, this is indefinite integration. That means we are integrating the total function. That means a part of a function is given. Suppose this is a curve, this is representing any function, and this is a curve. And this, from this small information, we are getting the total curve by integration. And if we need to find the part of the curve, that means from a point to another point, suppose A to B, then in that case we need definite integration. So definite integration, the rules are different, a little bit different. So if limits are given, in definite integration you will have some limits. So if a function is integrated a x to the power n dx and having limit a to b, so your result is a x to the power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1, and you have to put limit here a to b, and your final result is no constant in definite integration. It is b to the power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 minus a to the power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. And these kind of results we are going to use in deriving equation of motions. One more example, if dx is integrated from a to b the integration of dx is x. You can see here, from here, dx integration of dx is x plus c. But in definite integration, this constant term is not used. This gets vanished, and your limit is a to b. And finally, you get upper limit minus lower limit, that is b minus a. This is your final result. Okay, so remember this, and I am going to use in finding the equation of motions using definite integration formula.